Presentation on knowledge application by process empowerment, part 1. The important contents are the education and its objectives, the purpose and objectives of the technology education, the purpose and objectives of the management education, the various business domains, organization, either business or services, customer, citizen, common man, economy and business. Other important key factors: the organization expectation, what is the knowledge application, how does it get represented by structural representation, the knowledge placement and beyond, the business and functional executives' roles and responsibilities, the information system software executives, the roles and the responsibilities. Finally, in nutshell. Let us start with the first topic, education and its objectives. The purpose and objectives of engineering and technology education. What are they? Understand the basic concepts, expose to quantitative and qualitative methods, create awareness of intricacies and familiarize with the details, understand the implications and conceptualize various components, create a strong foundation to implement and bridge the skill gap. The purpose and objectives of the management education. Quite similar. Understand the basic concepts, expose to quantitative and qualitative methods, create awareness of intricacies and familiarize with details, understand the implications and conceptualize various components, create a strong foundation to implement and bridge the skill gap. The purpose and objectives of the management education and technology education leads to what? It leads to the business domains, either as manufacturing, production or construction, commercial services covering trading, financial, banking, development and many others, hospitality services, either health, travel and many others. These are all various business domains by name, which can be added further and further. The crucial point now is to understand what the organization means. The organization, either business or services, it is created built on sum of education, experience, knowledge, application, returns, growth. From organization, we go to the customer, citizen and common man. Organization as a government or as a private organization or a public limited organization, whatever it is meant for a customer, citizen and common man. It is also existing on the sum of the same ingredients: education, experience, knowledge, application, returns and growth. Economy, business thrives only if both the above goes together. That is, organization and customers complementing each other. Ultimately for both, returns and growth is crucial. For this purpose, education, experience, knowledge, application becomes enabling factors. The key factors, the above by itself does not enable it. Management enables it by creating systems for running the business. Now, information technology enables it further by creating information systems. It is therefore returns, growth depends on business system and information system. The organization expects the following. Growth should grow, for which return should be on continuous basis. Radical and tendency is to bring business system within information system. What required is business system and information system should run parallel to each other. Otherwise, returns and growth will lead to mislead. Now, where are we? The organization, as we have seen, is a sum total of education, experience, knowledge, application, returns and growth, plus business system and information system. For business system, MBAs, executives and managers are the enablers. For information system, be it BTechs, MCAs, MTechs, the software executives and project managers, organization look forward for effective knowledge application enablers for effective business and information systems. What is knowledge application? There are various questions to be addressed in order to know the implication and the impact of the knowledge. What is knowledge? Knowledge is acquired information. What is experience? Events and situations one meets and attends to. How knowledge is related to experience? The acquired information when applied to events and situations. How knowledge and experience is related to business? Business depends upon acquired information when applied for research. How are we concerned with the knowledge and experience at this juncture? For right placement of knowledge and experience. What does the placement of knowledge and experience require? It needs a placement location. What does the location means? For organization, it is a structural representation. Structural representation, what does it imply? It is represented by operational wing of the organization, operational location, nature of work, name of the work, execution of the work, that is macro level, elements of the work executed, that is micro level, start and end of the work execution. Structural representation, what we have seen earlier, how does it get identified? It is identified by, represented by operational wing of the organization as section, as department or sections, the nature of work as process, name of the work, the process subject, execution of the work, that is macro level, process action, elements of the work executed, that is micro level, process logical steps, start and end of the work execution, process integration. The knowledge placement and beyond. What do MBA, MCA, BEs and BTechs get? Knowledge is acquired for business management, information system management. What do MBA, MCA, BEs and BTechs require? Placement for employment for the knowledge acquired to be applied wherever it is required. What is that the employer requires? Placement or deployment of academic skill to suit the job skill, direct or indirect. What employer expects? A conceptual skill and job operating skill. How employer guides for this? By job orientation and training to operate the job. What employer cannot guide? A conceptual skill, that is forming an idea for application of the academic skill. How to ensure the conceptual skill? By forming an idea, abstract of what is known and relating it to the place where the idea can be placed. What is required for this? A methodological approach to ensure appropriate processes wherein ideas can be rooted. What does a methodological approach mean? This means organizational processes to be re-engineered, documented and integrated to PDI, providing a user base for information system, enabling knowledge transformation on continuous basis to meet business dynamics of the present and future. OPDI provides this methodological approach for visualization of structural channel to conceptualize the link between knowledge and business processes and work on it. From here, let us look into the executive roles and responsibilities. As business and functional executives, the roles and responsibilities are to understand and determine business requirements based on customer requirements, present and the future. Provide functional resources to meet the above requirements. To work for business improvement. This is the macro level. Business and functional executives, the roles and responsibilities from information system point of view. To finalize functional requirements, specifications, interact with software group, evaluate the application solutions, help the test run, pilot run, parallel run, training users on software implementation, to work for business and information system integration. Now comes the information system and software executives, their roles and responsibilities as facilitators, determine system requirements present and future, interact with functional executives on a FRS, finalize system requirement specifications based on a FRS, interact with functional executives on vendor selection, test the application solutions for test run, pilot run and parallel run, training users on software implementation, to work for taking suggestions from functional executives for system improvement. In nutshell, organization, its objectives, make the knowledge application based on the executives' roles and responsibilities. Everything is for applicability and employability. So the crucial points are the knowledge application through process empowerment. Thank you.